Hey everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some beautiful hairstyles. First, put this bun clip on the hairs. Now roll down the hairs from the top like this, fix it, and your bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie a ponytail. Now put this bun pin on the rubber band on the right side. Now tie the hairs on the top, fold it down, first tie it properly and fix it using the bun pins and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie a ponytail. Now roll the hairs upward and fix it in the halfway using a rubber band. Now again roll down the hairs, tie it from the bottom like this. Tie it properly. After tying it, fix it by rolling the hairs. Put the hair clutch and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, comb up the hairs like this. Tie it from the bottom and roll it down. Fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the rubber band like this. Fix it in the half. After that, we will tie the hairs from the bottom like this. Now roll it upward, fold it to make a bun. Fix it properly. Put a hair clutch or the hairpins and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs and then roll it upward. Now fix the bun pin on it like this. Now tie the hairs on the top, roll it down and fix it using the bun clips and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail. Now pull the hairs like this and then fix the bun pin on the rubber band on the right side. Now tie the hairs on the bottom part, fix it using the clips and it's ready. Next, put this hair clip on the hairs. Now take the hairs from the sides, roll it and fix it in the between. Keep taking the hairs from the sides a little bit and fix it one by one on the each section of the clips like this. Now your hairstyle will be ready. Thanks for watching.